Today we're at Stovehouse Air Conditioners. Right here there's the carrier comfort. I got the logo, I haven't seen it. It's not running right now. Here, see, there's a which kind of compressor is that? That's an LG Skull. Stop using those LG Skulls, they're complete junk. Now LG Skull, it looks like a heat pump. The carrier heat pump hasn't been running, so hooked up to power. It looks like I think it's in 2017. Yeah. Look at that sheet. Okay. That day. This looks like a free ton. I can't read the gear term. Yeah, hasn't been running. Yeah. Now we're just American Standard RC's back there. Yeah, it takes me long to get to the units. It takes me long to get to these American Odysseys. Yeah. Yep, the American Standard. Oh, there's no hooked up to power. I can't go to that back room. Remember, it's these two. Yeah. Yeah, I know these have been running. So I'm looking at since 2004. Okay, so the videos are stopped. Here's these units. The American Standard Odysseys. These are nice units. American Standard. This is the American Standard train. This might be another American Standard. Yep, another American Standard. And I believe these are both from 2004. None of these have been running. Yeah. I can't go to that one back because there's a fence. And it's barbed wired. Where's this one? This one is a straight coil unit. 12 fan blades. I filmed my Odyssey unit before. Not like I already put the fan blades down there, so up here. Yeah, that's the thing I don't like about these units. It only has one compressor. Oh, what's that compressor? Hope one of these turn on. Looks like a Cobra squirrel. Thrust it out. Here's the other unit. Right here. I think this would be the same. This one's also straight cool. Yeah. Sink compressor. Yep. Now there's two more units over here. And a window unit. Okay.
To hold it up while we walk.
Okay, there's an exhaust fan up there. Yeah, this place is cool. Used to be a Stovehouse. But now they have restaurants here. Rest of me is in there.
You're just gonna be quiet, bud? Why don't you talk while we're walking?
Okay, so lots of me is over here. Got these units. Hello. Where Greenbeck and where's the character by? What's that? They're both running. Electric hair water maker. Off. Yep. This is carrier. Yeah, this carrier is off right now. Yeah, she's Greenbeck's running. Thing's loud. Okay, so the only extra that's running here is this rare Greenbeck thing. Yeah, airport unit. Air Greenbeck. So rare. Okay. I don't know. Hi, thanks for sharing more news today. I forgot to film one extra. It's right here. Got the carrier. It just turned on before I turned on the camera. Yeah. Yeah, I can't go there. See, this is just a bar up here. Yeah, here's this unit. Running. I wish we gone close to it.
Hey, let's go film the view.
Yeah, I don't even know the view. This is how we got a building. Yeah, let's show the view. We got Stovehouse once again. Yeah. Let's get your side badge way back there. Let's go right here so we get a better view to carry your side badge. Unit. Yep. How we zoom in, Daddy? Yeah, there's that unit. You can't see it very well.
I hold my phone over the edge.
I know. Yeah, it's not running right now. That's for fanboys. Yeah, it's not running. Yeah. Yeah, there's a unit back there. Might be a Mammoth Steed or a 1X. It's a window unit right there. It might be a Kenmore or Whirlpool. And yeah, they're here. Yeah.
Hey, come on. Let's go up.
Yeah, I know. Hang on.
No, over here. Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. You go down and see what the children down there playing. Still running?
Let me do it.
Still running? I know. Oh, Ari just turned off. That's weird. Ari just turned off. That's so weird. Huh. That's weird. Is this running for a few minutes? Is this running for a few seconds and then shut off? That's so weird, man. Yeah. Hope it isn't dead. Nah, it's just carrier package here on the roof. It's a trash bar. And it's also Oh, and then we're back here. I see. You can't see well. There's a window unit down there. Yeah. Very nice view. Yeah, you already stood out. That's strange.